Yeah, hi team. And today we can discuss on continuation class of update. In yesterday class, we discuss till 4 approaches to update a table from the other table. And today we can discuss next approaches. And the next approach is here, update the subquery. Just I'm checking the data in the table. Okay. And these are city names here. Okay. And this is the department table. And it contain like all departments are unique. Fine. Department ID also unique. Okay. And just I'm updating the department table with a different location name to discuss on with subquery. Set location equals to I'm taking here Hyderabad, where I'm taking department ID equals to 10. Okay. Sorry, departments. Sorry. This is the table name. Departments. Okay. Fine. Now I'm checking data for department 10. Yeah, it got updated. Now my requirement is I want to update the same city name to the employees table for department 10 with Hyderabad in place of New York. Okay, and we can approach with a subquery method. Okay, I'm taking update employees. I'm taking like alias name as E set. Here city equals to I'm taking here subquery. In the coming sessions, we can discuss and what is subquery, what types of we have subqueries, like a single row subquery, multi-row subquery, correlated subqueries. We can discuss in the coming sessions. For time being, just we are saying here how we can update in different approaches. We are checking here. Okay, I'm taking here department table, and here initially I'm taking it as select to start from departments. I'm taking this as D alias name, where here D dot department ID equals to E dot department ID. Okay, I'm taking here column name of city, that is location here. I'm taking here location column name. I'm taking here bracket for this one. I'm taking here maximum. Okay. Now see here. City has to update with the Hyderabad. Okay, let's see whether it is got updated or not. Select to start from employees, where department ID equal to 10. Okay. See here, it got updated. Earlier it is New York, now it is got update to the Hyderabad. And this is the way we can achieve with the subquery. And here we can get one doubt. Why we are adding the maximum in subquery. See here, I'm taking here and the same script here, and without maximum I'm taking without aggregate function. Here the issue is like we can get sometimes the Snowflake is not supporting. We can get like in this way error. Still the inner subquery provide only one result for the department. Still we are getting the like this error. Sometimes the Snowflake is not supporting with update query for the help of correlated subquery. So better to use for update either merge statement or common table expression, or you can go with the joins. Okay, and why I'm taking here max nothing but to get, like if you're getting like multiple rows, it will take only single row. Even if you check in the department, we don't have any duplicate data. See here. Okay, I'll check with the script also, like select a star from. Okay, I'm taking the same copy of this one. It is the issue with the Snowflake only. Select the star from. I'm taking here a department ID count. I'm taking here group by department ID. Okay, just I'm checking like do I have any duplicates in with the department ID. Okay, I'm taking here that I'm taking having count greater than 1. I'm taking here, you can understand clearly. Just we're checking the validation whether do you have any duplicate data in the department table. See here, we don't have duplicate data. It has something unique data. Still, we are getting issue with the this query. This is because of Snowflake is not supporting this approach. That's why I'm taking the maximum, or you can take like minimum also. Okay, and this is like a s- s- single subquery, nothing but this complete result has to get only one value. When we can get this type of issue, nothing but, for example, this data is returning more than one value, then you can get this type of issues. But I check in the data level, we are getting only one row for the each department, but still we are getting, means it is the issue with the Snowflake UI. So better to go with the joins concept or CT concept, or you can go with the merge concept. Okay, fine. Why I'm saying this one, interview they will ask like do you have any chance to update with the help of subquery. That's why I'm explaining this concept. Okay, now this is the fifth approach with the help of subquery. Next we can go to the help of merge statement. Update with merge statement. In the coming sessions, we can discuss complete on merge statement. In the incremental load, we can use the merge statement. We can, with the help of merge statement, we can do update, insert, deletions. For per time being, I'm explaining only update with the help of merge statement. Okay, again, same tables I'm taking here, two tables. Just I'm checking the data. Sorry. Okay, we have data here. Now I'm updating here one record in the department table. Update departments, set location equals to, I'm taking here Implab Chicago, I'm taking Karimnagar. Okay, where department ID equals to, I'm taking here 20 now. Okay, all are we can take in capital, it will looks good. Okay, now I'm running this script here, adding this semicolon. It is the best practice, please add every time at the end of script as semicolon. Okay, now one record got updated. Just I'm cross checking in the table. Yeah, it got updated to the Karimnagar department 20. Now see how we can update with the help of merge statement. Merge into, this is syntax of merge statement. We have to write the in this way, merge into, like using which table I'm taking here, departments. I'm taking alias name as the on condition e dot department id equals to here d dot department id, and we have condition. What a condition here, when it is matched, then we have to update with update set e dot city equals to, the column name is city, right? Yeah, city equals to d dot location. Okay, and this is syntax of merge statement. We have to write in this way only, merge into and the source table name using target table name, and this is the condition. Okay, just I'm writing this script here and executing also. Now see, we can check data now. Select to start from employees, where department id equals to, I'm taking here 20. It has to get Karimnagar. See here, it got updated. And these are the ways we can update data to the table with the help of in different ways. And we have one more approach, other approach also, with the help of CTE. We can update the data also, but in the coming sessions we can discuss on CTE. It is nothing but a common table expression. Okay, now I need to add one more point here for the seventh one. With the help of joins also we can update joins, update the joins, update with, this is one more thing. I'm taking again same two tables. Okay, just I'm checking department table. Now I'm taking department 30 for this concept. Update departments, set location equals to, I'm taking this time as Hyderabad, where department ID equals to 30. Okay. Yeah. Initially it is like dollars. Now I'm taking to the different name. Okay, fine. Got updated. Just I'm checking here whether it got updated or not to the Hyderabad in the source table. Yeah, it got updated. Now we can update with the help of joins. Okay, I'm taking here update employees. I'm taking alias name, set here. What is the column name we have here? City, right? City name equals to update. What is the column name here? City. Okay, fine. Update city equals to I'm taking here city equal, what's the table name here? Department, right? Department, what the column name here? I'm taking d dot location, right? Okay, location. Okay, here from which table? From departments table D, and where I'm taking the condition where e dot department id equals to d dot department id. Okay, now I'm running this script here. See, it got updated. Select start from. Okay, We can check directly here. The help of joints. See here, it got updated to the Huzurabad. Okay, now see here, and it is only with the two tables. Now I'm taking the concept with the three tables. Update with three tables, and here we can use the joins and the syntax of update of a two table. It has to use like update from here, update source table, and from target table, and we have to use where class. And this is the syntax of if you want to join the other table on based on the join condition. Now I'm taking for three tables, and for the time being I've taken the table script here. Just I'm executing here. These all are like permanent table, right? We can use there also, no issues. Or else we can take scripts to that script file. I'm taking here three tables. Now we are taking like in with the help of three tables, how we can do the joins and update. That is I want to try to explain here. And employees table, I'm taking department table here, location table. See here what the common column here, employees table and department table, department ID, department and location, location ID. Okay, and just I'm inserting some records here. Okay, fine. Now see, just I'm checking data. Okay, here initial the city is null column. We have two records only. And department table, we have location ID, and we have location information in the location table. Okay, now see, I want to update this location name in New York and Chicago to the employees table. That is my requirement. See how we can approach this concept. Same script I'm taking, update employees E, set I'm taking E dot, here city, right, column name. Yeah, city equals to, I want to take from location. So I'm taking direct here, L dot city underscore name. Okay, city underscore name. Here I'm taking from class, from departments. I'm taking here D table, alias name as T, and here we have thought table. Now we can use here joins. Join locations. This is a table. I'm taking L alias name on condition D dot department or location ID. I think. Yeah, location ID. Common is location ID equals to L dot location ID. And we have to use where class, where E dot department ID equals to L dot, sorry, not L, target table D dot department ID. Okay, this is syntax to update the source table. Okay, see here, this is the source table, and these are the target. Sorry, these two are source tables, and this is the target table here. I'm taking target table with a join condition. D dot alias everything is correct. Just I'm executing the query here. Yeah, it got updated. Now I'm checking the source table. See, it got updated. And this is the way, with the help of three tables, we can update the target table by using the join condition. For two tables, we cannot use the join condition. If it is more than two tables, then we can go for the join condition, because for two tables, the syntax is like in this way. For two tables, if you are using two tables, update here target table, and set condition here, and from source table and where class condition. Okay, and this is the way we have to write update for the two tables. And this is syntax for the two tables. If it is more than two tables, then we can go for the join concept. Okay, and next one, and this is one approach we can do joins with the help of the tables, and same script we can write in a different way also with the help of subqueries. See how we can approach that one. Same here, update. Okay, before writing the script, just I'm taking the creation of again employee table. I'm inserting the data employees table. Now see, it has to like initial way. We don't have data for the city column. Now my target is I need to update city column from the location table. Okay, I'm taking here employees. Employees table. Set I'm taking e dot city equals to city name from I'm taking here subquery after some select here star from which table we need to join here departments join locations. I'm taking here alias name L on d dot location ID equals to L dot location ID. Just I'm running this script in our query. Okay, now we can get in this way, but we don't require all columns, right? I'm taking the only few columns. Which columns we require? From D table, we need a department ID. And from L table, we need the city name. Because we need to update city name to the target table. I'm taking only two columns. Now let's see. Sorry, here, comma. Okay. Yeah. And this New York and Chicago, we need to update to the employee table. Now I'm taking this complete subquery as one table as B column. I'm taking here B dot. Now we need where clause, right? The target table has to join condition with the source table. That is E dot department ID. I'm taking her alias name as E here equal to D dot department ID. Okay, I'm running this script here. Initially, I'm checking what is data in the employee table. One more time. Okay, in the employee table, we don't have any data. It is null column. And from the location table, we have to update these two rows, New York and Chicago. Okay, these two columns I'm checking. Just I'm formatting the script here. Okay, and this is a subquery. Okay, fine condition. Now see, I'm writing the script here. Sorry, here B dot alias name is P. Okay. Now see, it got updated two rows. Just I'm checking here. Whether the changes are reflect to the source table. See here, and it got updated. And these are the different ways, and we can update a target table with the help of other table. And we have seen till now 7 approaches, and we have one approach is remaining, that is the CTE. common table expression. In the coming session, I'll take one update on CTE also. And here the best approach with the help of update, and better to go with the join or with the help of merge statement. These are preferable to join a target table in the Snowflake. And in the performance wise also, these two are better, but don't go with the subqueries. It will take more time to run a query. Okay. And here learn these two approach, but I explain all approaches. In the intro, they will ask like in how many different ways we can update a table. That's why I gather all information and taken the all approaches with the help of update statement. Okay. And please subscribe the channel to get more videos. If you subscribe the channel, you can get a notification while uploading the my class in YouTube. And please share and like, subscribe my videos. Thank you.